the Honorable Judgment of Al-Fatah Competition, and Honorable of Commit of Al-Fatah Competition. My beloved friend and sister and happy audience, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hafsa Ishak. You can call me Hafsa. I'm 4th grade and I come from Muhammadiyah Boarding School Military for Girl Krapia, Pekalongan City. Here I stand, I will storytell about Buya Hamka. Do you know who is Buya Hamka? Let me know, I will start about Buya Hamka. Check it out. Hi, let me know about Buya Hamka story. Abdul Malik Karim Amrullah, or can be called Malik, was born on February 17, 1908. As a child, Malik was always expected by his father to be his successor in the future. But Malik never expected his father's words. He often played by the lake while fishing with his uncle named Angku Muaro. Because his father and mother were worried, finally, at a young age, he stopped school and was imposed tawalid. Instead of completing his education at the tawalid, the teenage boy often traveled for land. He migrated to Parabek and studied with Sheikh Ibrahim Musa, where he learned self-defense and often listened purity and beautiful poems. After returning to Maninjau, finally, he migrated to Java at age 60. Where he studied tafsir with Ki Bagus Hadikusumo and Haji Farudin and several other Muhammadiyah figures. Then he went to Pekalongan to meet his brother-in-law Sultan Mansur. There he was already very good at making speech. After a year, he returned to Rais Muhammadiyah in Pandang Panjang, but experience was rejected as a teacher at Muhammadiyah own school because he didn't have diploma and his Arabic skills were limited, which prompted the young Malik to go to Mecca. Through his Arabic, Malik studied Islamic history and literature on his own. After Hajj, Malik studied with Hajj Agus Salim. After Malik decided to return home, finally he returned to the country and his name changed Hamka, Hajj Abdul Malik Karim Amrullah. Hamka worked as a journalist while becoming a religious teacher in Delhi. After marrying Siti Raham, he had children including Hisham Fahri Rusdi Zaki, but Hisham, his first child, died while Hamka still residing in Makassar. Then Hamka returned to the field and led community guidelines through his work under protection of the Kaabah and sinking of the 100 ship. Hamka's name soared as the writer in 1950. In addition to being a writer, Hamka also active in Muhammadiyah, starting when he attended in Congress Solo Area 1928. Hamka also became a member of PP Muhammadiyah, which began 1953 until 1971. As time, he brought his family to Jakarta. Initially, he worked in the Ministry of Religious Affairs, but resigned because he involved in politics. In 1955 general election, Hamka was elected to the Constituent representing Masyumi. Hamka was reformation of the state foundation. Masyumi's political stance against anti-democracy to the state foundation. Masyumi's political stance against communism and anti-gender democracy influenced Hamka's relationship with President Sukarno. After Masyumi was disbanded, Hamka published his short life named Panji Masyarakat, which was banned by President Sukarno for publish the article and Hatta. Communism by communism in Indonesia, Hamka was attacked by the cultural organization Lekra. Accusation of the subversive movement led to Hamka taken from his home to Sukabumi prison in 1964. There, Hamka completed Tafsir Al-Azan. Hamka was released in 1966 before the end of Sukarno's rule. On May 19, 1981, Hamka served as the first chairman of the Indonesia Ulama Council. Hamka died on July 24, 1981 as an advisor in the Muhammadiyah. Al-Azhar University and University of Malaysia conferred honorary doctoral degree. Mustafa University conferred Hamka as a professor. Hamka's name pinned in Muhammadiyah's Hamka University, and his name included to the list of Indonesian national heroes. Maybe enough for me, maybe enough for my telling. Sorry if I have any mistake. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Nun wal qalami wa mayasturun fastabiqul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.